Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Max Tasty channel. For this month, since we are once again in the Lenten season this year, I thought we could repeat our theme for this month and do another round of Meatless March, where we'll be making 5 more recipes that are as delicious as they are meatless. For this week's episode, we will be making some Caesar salad. For this recipe, you will need some croutons, some Caesar dressing, some Parmesan cheese, about a half cup or so, and some romaine lettuce, about 1 to 2 heads for 4 servings. You can of course buy all of these ingredients pre-made and pre-sliced, but since this wouldn't really be much of a recipe video if I just showed you how to combine these ingredients together, I will be showing you how to make the croutons and dressing from scratch. For the croutons, you will need some French or other white bread, or some leftover bread scraps, about 3 cups or so, 3 tablespoons or so of olive oil, 1 to 2 garlic cloves, and 2 tablespoons or so of finely grated Parmesan. And for the homemade dressing, you will need 1 2-ounce can of anchovy fillets packed in oil, or 1 tablespoon of anchovy paste, 2 more garlic cloves, 2 egg yolks, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 3 tablespoons more of finely grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or juice from 1 lemon, 1/3 cup more of olive oil, and some salt and black pepper. First, if you plan on making the croutons, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and while we wait, we'll prepare the crouton ingredients. Chop up your bread into 1/2 to 3/4 inch cubes, mince or grate your garlic finely, and grate your Parmesan. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of the olive oil and your minced garlic to infuse the oil, and then drizzle the garlic oil over the bread in a bowl, and top this with the 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, and toss this until the bread is evenly coated. The oven should be done preheating by now, so spread the bread in a single layer over a baking sheet, and then bake it until the bread turns light golden and crisp, about 12 to 15 minutes or so. While we wait, we'll prepare the Caesar dressing. If you haven't done so before, prepare some more minced garlic and grated Parmesan. Next, drain your anchovies from the oil, and then on a cutting board, chop the anchovies and minced garlic together until they form a smooth paste. Then in a mixing bowl, food processor, or blender, add in your egg yolk, Dijon mustard, anchovy garlic paste, Worcestershire sauce, 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, and lemon juice, and blend or whisk this together until combined. Next, while blending or whisking, slowly pour in the 1/3 cup of olive oil. The dressing should start to emulsify and thicken after a little bit, which happens a lot faster with a blender, but it should eventually happen if you're mixing by hand. Then, once you've mixed in all of the oil, transfer to a bowl if needed, and mix in some salt and pepper to taste. And once it's to your liking, your Caesar dressing is ready to use. The croutons should be done by now, so remove them from the oven and let them cool for a little bit before using. Now, to put the salad together, wash and dry your lettuce, and then tear or chop the leaves into bite-sized pieces, and grate some more Parmesan cheese into shavings if needed at this time as well. Place the chopped lettuce into a large serving bowl, and add in the Parmesan cheese, cooled croutons, and drizzle this with the dressing and top with some more black pepper if desired, and then toss this gently until everything is evenly coated to your liking. And once it is, your Caesar salad is ready to eat. Out of all the salads I've had before, I think Caesar salad is my favorite. It's just lettuce, dressing, croutons, and parmesan, but it's the perfect mix of flavors and textures with the crunchy lettuce and croutons and the savory and salty, creamy dressing and cheese. Normally, I would just buy the ingredients to make a salad pre-made since it's faster, but if you already got the ingredients lying around, I definitely recommend spending the extra few minutes to save some money and to create an even more delicious salad tailored to your liking. In terms of the origins of this dish, despite popular belief, this salad was not invented by Julius Caesar, but was invented instead in the early 1920s by Cesare Cardini, an Italian chef who owned a restaurant in Tijuana, Mexico. Apparently, this dish was invented from a lack of ingredients due to a particularly busy 4th of July, with the only ingredients available being lettuce stalks, olive oil, raw egg, croutons, Parmesan cheese, and Worcestershire sauce. Of course, the salad was an instant hit, and as they say, the rest is history. But speaking of the ingredients, anchovies were apparently not part of the original recipe, with them being a later addition to bring out the anchovy flavor already present in the Worcestershire sauce, which I think is an important aspect of the Caesar dressing. But if you wish to make this dish fully vegetarian, you can substitute the sauce and anchovies with red wine vinegar and capers, respectively. However, going the other way, if you wish to add some meat, you can chop up some pre-cooked chicken breast and toss that in to make a chicken Caesar salad, my preferred type of Caesar salad. But of course, that doesn't fit the theme for this month, so that's why I left it out this time. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if there's anything you want me to make next. Like the video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel. And blend or whisk this together until combined.
Every time.